Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to time in Excel. Let's begin by understanding the fundamental ways to input and display time. You can simply type a time, such as 9:30 a.m., directly into a cell. Excel will automatically recognize it as a time value. For dynamic updates, the Now function instantly shows the current date and time. Furthermore, the time function allows you to construct a specific time using 3 arguments: hours, minutes, and seconds, providing precise control over your time entries. Now, let's explore how to calculate the duration between 2 times in Excel. Simply subtract the earlier time from the later time to get the difference. For instance, if you have a start time in cell Aeon and an end time in cell ATWO, the formula equals ATWO minus Aeon will yield the duration. Remember to format the result cell appropriately, perhaps as elapsed time or custom, to see the duration clearly. To convert this duration into total hours, multiply the result by 24. Excel offers extensive options for formatting how time appears in your spreadsheets. To customize, right-click a cell and select Format Cells, then navigate to the Number tab and choose Time or Custom. You can select from various built-in formats such as 1:30 p.m. or 13:30. For more control, use custom formats like H, MM/PM for 12-hour clock, or HH, SS to display hours, minutes, and seconds in a 24-hour format. This flexibility ensures your time data is presented exactly as needed. Beyond basic calculations, Excel allows for more advanced time manipulations. You can easily add or subtract specific durations from a given time. For example, to add 3 hours, simply add 3 divided by 24 to your time cell. Conversely, to subtract 30 minutes, subtract 30 divided by 1440. You can also extract individual components like hours, minutes, or seconds from a time value using dedicated functions, providing granular control over your time data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.